Hello, hello, hello. I'm Tamara, the tax doula, and today I'm here to share a little bit of my backstory with you and how I became the tax doula. I am a certified doula. I provide professional labor support, so I work with moms before, during, and after pregnancy. And I have been a business owner for quite a long time. I've been self employed since about 2011. So I've worked as an independent contractor, a consultant, doing work in the birth field and the wellness field in general for quite a number of years, for a really long time. And I have always prepared my own taxes. It's something I learned to do as a teenager when we still worked with the written forms, and I progressed to using software and then doing it online. So I have that background, that experience of doing it on my own for years, right? And a number of years ago, I decided to look into tax preparation services because I figured, well, there's probably something that I could learn. Is there something that I'm missing? Is there something that I could learn? How could this enhance my skills? And when I took the training just to improve my skills personally, I realized something that as much as I knew about filling out the form and answering the questions, there was so much about taxes that I did not know, that I did not understand. When people talk about tax code, it's actually the tax law. And there were a lot of things that I just realized that I just didn't know. And when we fill out the software, it's essentially prompting us to answer questions, but it doesn't give us the background information about what is really behind this question. And as I realized that, I also started to recognize that taxes can be very beneficial. Like the more you know about tax preparation, the better you can use that information to make some really strategic financial decisions. It can help you see not only where your money is going throughout the year, but it can also help you make better choices around investing and planning for your future and your family's future. And as I started to recognize the connection between tax season and financial planning, it was like my eyes were opened, and I said to myself, everybody needs to have the opportunity to do this. And so not only do I want to work with individuals, but I also have a heart, a passion for working for those folks who are in the wellness industry, particularly people who are birth professionals and those who have a heart of service to others. So I'm a birth professional, I'm a wellness and fitness professional, and I understand that when we're in this space, we have a passion about helping others, and the more we learn about what it means to file your taxes every year and how that can impact you, not only can we be in a position to help others, but we can also be in a position to help ourselves better. So, as the tax doula, my goal is to help you get rid of the overwhelm and the stress of tax season. But on top of that, in that process, I want you to also be able to make well informed decisions about your financial future, because looking at how you manage your taxes and manage your finances throughout the year as you prepare for tax season gives you a lot of insight, and it can be that jumping off point for planning your future. So maybe you want to focus on retirement. Maybe you want to focus on reducing your taxable income. Maybe you want to focus on some purchases you have for the year. Maybe you want to focus on creating wealth. You can do a lot of that by preparing yourself throughout the tax year, because you can see where your money is going to go. You can see where you can be investing your money, maybe to minimize your taxable income. So there's a lot that can happen strategically if you know what you're looking for and if you know what you need to do. And so my goal as the tax doula is not only to come alongside you for tax prep, but also to come alongside of you for tax planning. And I do that through my Tax Readiness Success Coaching, where I work with clients on a monthly basis to make sure that they're accountable for documenting their income, their expenses, their revenue. If you're a business owner, for making sure that you have those estimated taxes calculated and paid, for helping you make sure you have your processes and your systems in place, whether you're an individual or you're a business owner, making sure you have those processes and systems in place. And when you're able to recognize what your goals are, because I help you do goal setting for your financial future, then you can start looking into, do you need a certified financial planner to take this next step? Do you need a CPA to take the next step if you want to change your business structure or do something different? So not only do I come alongside of you, but I also make sure that you have the right experts in your life at the right time to make those better financial decisions. So it's not only improving your financial outlook, but it's also a foundation for beginning to build generational wealth. So as a tax doula, I'm helping you to reduce that overwhelming of stress, just like when I work as a doula with my moms. We're planning in advance for that magical moment of birth. As the tax doula, we're planning in advance for tax season and for your future. And so whether you're looking for someone who just prepares your taxes, I can do that too. But even better, I can come alongside of you with my Tax Readiness Success Coaching and help connect you to the right people. So that's my backstory, and those are the services I offer. And you can find me at taxes.justuswomen.org. That's taxes.justuswomen.org. Until next time, I'm Tamara Wren, the Tax Doula.